Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your maths teacher. So, as our topic, whole numbers is going on, in which today we will solve few more questions. Like, here's the first question in which we have to add the following numbers and check by reversing the order of the addends. So, what we will do first? First, we will add these numbers. Then, we have to add again by reversing the order of the addends. So as we are seeing here, we are getting the same result. That means our sum is correct, which also shows the commutative property of addition, in which we know we can add two or more numbers in any order, which will give the same result. Now, next is, here we have to find the sum of these two expressions, and then we have to tell also that are the two sums are equal, and we have to tell the property also. So first we will solve the first expression. As we know, according to the BODMAS rule, first we solve the bracket term. So after solving the bracket term, we will got 2044, and when you will add the 2044 and 3589, you will got 5633. You will got 5633. Now we will solve the next sum. Again, first we will solve the bracket terms. We will got 4087. When you will add 1546 and 4087, again we will got 5633. Now as you are seeing, we are getting the same sum. That means the sums are equal in both the expression, which also shows the associative property of addition. Now, next is, here we have to determine each of the sums given below using suitable rearrangement. So students, what kind of rearrangement? So we will arrange such two numbers in which we, after addition, we will got the result with maximum number of zeros. Like as you are seeing here, in the first one, it is 953 plus 707 plus 647. Now as you are seeing here, if we add the first number and the third number, we will got the number which is having maximum zeros. So we will group these. We will group the first and the third number, and according to the BODMAS, we solve the bracket term. So we will got 1600, and then we will add the remaining 707. So after addition, you will got 2307. So by this way, we can solve the question orally. That will be very easier. Now, second is, here are four numbers. So what we will do? First we will arrange such number which will give you maximum number of 0 in resultant. So what here, as I have arranged as I have grouped first and the third number and second and the fourth number. So again we will solve the brackets. We will got 5900 and plus 20,000. Now we can add easily. You will got 25,900. So by this way, the question has become very easy to find the sum. Now, third one is, here we have to find the sum of these numbers. So as you are seeing here, if we arrange 99 plus 1, we will got 100. If we group 98 plus 2, we will got 100. If we group 97 plus 3, we will get 100. If we group 96 plus 4, we will get 100. So as you are seeing here, now we can add easily. You will got 400. So as you are seeing, student, the question has become very easy. Now, next is, here we have to find the sum by sort method. So how we will do this? Listen, student, as you are seeing the first and the second, as we are having the second number is first number, in first number we are having 4 times 9, and the second number we are having, in the second question we are having 5 times 9. So how we will do is, as we know, in the first one, this 9999 can be split as 10,000 minus 1, and according to the associative property we can group two numbers. So we will group this 6784 plus 10,000. As we know, first we solve the bracket terms. So we will got 16,784, and then we will subtract the remaining minus 1. So you will got the final result, which will be 16,783. Now next is the same we will do for the next question. As here is 99,999, which can be split as 1 lakh minus 1. Now again we can group this 10,578 plus 1 lakh. Now we solve the bracket. So you will got 1 lakh 10,578 minus 1. After subtracting, we will got the result. We will got 1 lakh 10,577, which is our final answer. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.